What do you guys do for a living? Good morning, guys. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I'm super excited because they have finally brought back one of my favorite car shows in Los Angeles, Sunset GT. So we're gonna head there today, but first, I gotta stop by my friend Cam's house because he's got a pretty damn cool new McLaren. What up, dude? Good morning. This is my friend Cam Casey, social media superstar, and this is his freaking McLaren 620R.
Yeah.
So you got this, what, 2 months ago or something like that?
Yeah, like 3-ish, about.
Liking it?
Yeah, I'm liking it a lot. It's super sick.
And you got downpipes and a tune, right?
Downpipes and a tune, and that's all I've done to it.
I love this thing. I love that it has the roof scoop.
Yeah.
There's some serious similarities and some differences between this and my car that at some point I want to make a video detailing.
I feel like it's nearly the same
It's
thing.
nearly the same thing. And then my other friend Joey is hiding behind this tinted windows in the Taycan Turbo S.
Yeah.
All right, time to go. I really like the blue accents on Joey's Taycan. With Car Week approaching, the next 7 days are absolutely jam-packed with epic car-related activities. So if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, smash that subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, because the content is about to get insane. Oh my God, Laurel Canyon, you are the most bumpy road ever. Sunset GT has gotten so popular that they've started requiring registration for the show. Apparently 500 cars registered for a 200 car show. So we're showing up an hour and a half early to Sunset GT so we get prime spots and can see all the cars rolling in. Although I imagine there's probably already a ton of cars there. Huracan STO, VF Huracan STO. Man, there's a line of about 60 Lamborghinis in front of me right now. That is nuts. An hour and a half before the show's supposed to even start. This car, if you guys remember, I actually reviewed like 5 years ago. He's from Northern California. I can't believe he's down here. Look at that Elva. Check out this gorgeous green 918 Spider, followed by a LaFerrari. Woo. And then check this out, we got dual Huracan STOs. This awesome matte green color. And then VF Engineering's new Huracan STO. Long time no see, Nick. How are you?
Good, Parker, how are you?
So this is going in for a supercharger soon?
Yes, it is. It's all ready, and it's on the shelf waiting to go in the car. The car's ready now to go to Monterey.
That's incredible.
As soon as we get back, then we'll put the supercharger in.
You liking it so far?
It's phenomenal. The rear wheel steering really makes it a different car.
It looks incredible, and I imagine with an extra, what, 200 horsepower?
Yeah.
It's gonna be pretty crazy. Look at that, another 600 LT with the roof scoop. Car page. Supercharged Huracan. Check out the aerodynamic work on the STO. I particularly love this roof scoop. Finally, a Lamborghini with a roof scoop. That looks absolutely epic. Ooh, F40. The famous Gentani SVJ. This thing sounds absolutely nuts. So far, my favorite car of the show, and it's not even the show yet. We haven't entered the building, and there's probably 10 times more cars coming. But this beautiful Ferrari F40 on the road. Look at that. That is gorgeous. This is probably in my top 5 favorite cars of all time. I absolutely love the F40.
Oh yeah.
This is one car that I have always wanted to drive, but have yet to get the opportunity to. Oh, so sick. So here is another Gentani car. It's a twin turbocharged Huracan that makes 1,450 horsepower to the wheels on a stock motor. Check this out, guys. This is the first time I've ever seen this driving on the road. All electric supercar, or hypercar, I guess. Look at that. Wow, the livery on that 765 LT with the roof scoop. Whew, HREs too. Another Huracan STO. Woo! 600 LT. Nice 765. Look at this, guys. The Rimac Nevera. The fastest accelerating car in the world in the quarter mile. And 2 more Rimacs. Holy moly. Oh yeah, some super action. Oh, it's 600 LT day apparently. Kind of annoyed because there's no other 620Rs. Damn you. Ooh. Look at that purple Pista. What up? Oh no. Not special anymore. The fastest whips of the show. All right, it is finally time to go inside of the car show. Guys, the show is becoming more and more insane. I like how they've categorized the cars by the make. So we've got all of these McLarens here. I gotta show you some sick things that are at the show. Look who we got here. Ray Larius in the house.
The one and only Ray Larius. It's like 90.
I haven't heard of another one.
Really?
No.
Just look on Instagram, there's probably...
Are there?
There's like 30, like 300 like Ray Larius going on.
I've been followed by 2 of them one after.
It's getting ridiculous at this point.
Are you going to Car Week?
Yeah, I want to, but I don't know yet. If I don't go to Car Week this year, next year I'll go.
All right.
And I'll let Parker know what kind of car I'll bring next year.
Please do.
Can't tell anybody.
Good seeing you, man.
It's always a pleasure hanging out with you, brother. Come on, man. You have to put me in that car, though.
I will.
Like literally.
Don't you worry.
No, I mean
like cram you in? Or?
No, in the passenger seat.
Yeah.
I don't think I'm ready for that car. You know.
I got you, man.
I'm kind of scared.
it's scary. Check this out, guys. Not 1, not 2, but 3 Huracan STOs next to each other. Lambos galore. Car Page 600 LT again. And then a crazy Rimac booth over here. The new Rimac Nevera all-electric hypercar. This thing has 4 electric motors, 1 at each wheel, a total of 1,914 horsepower, and can do 0 to 60 and get this 1.85 seconds and the quarter mile in 8.6 seconds. This is officially the fastest production road car in the world. Epic. Here we got the Concept 1, which was the original Rimac. Now apparently this one's actually privately owned. I didn't realize anyone had one, but there are 5 privately owned Concept 1s. Check out the suspension geometry. That is wild.
Baseball stitch right here. See that right there?
Oh, no way.
Yeah, and then this is actual suede. And then check out the
100% tailor-made Pista.
This is one of only one in the world.
Wow. Who are all the signatures? The people who made it?
Yeah, they're all the people that designed it. The power train people as well signed it.
That is so cool,
Yeah.
man. Check it out, guys. We got Jordan Veyron in the house. What's up? Last time we hung out, you had your Ford GT and went for a drive.
Yeah, it's over there. I've still got it. One of the few cars I haven't flipped.
And now you got a freaking Ferrari GT.
I did. Yeah, it's very exciting. I haven't been able to drive it in a couple months. It's been in a major service, but hopefully in a couple weeks. It's I haven't been making too much content on car stuff. I've kind of just been enjoying the cars.
Yeah,
in my
sometimes
personal
that's the
time.
best.
But I need to get on it. But it's fun.
We need some Ferrari GT content.
It's it's a joy. It's different from everything else, and that's what I wanted to have, like different cars occupying different spaces in the garage. And I think it'll be a long-term keeper, and it is everything that they say it is.
Well, congratulations,
Thank
dude.
you. Yeah, good to see you.
Good to see you too. All right, well, there are no limit of special cars at this event. We've got some old McLaren race cars, and then check this out, the windshieldless McLaren Elva. Row of Ferraris here. Check out the beautiful LaFerrari. Always a pleasure to see this thing. We got another Rimac Nevera next to a full exposed blue carbon Chiron next to a Senna. I believe this was the F8 Tributo that I reviewed next to the second 620R. Then we got Jordan Marin's Ford GT next to this beautiful Wyra. And look at this, the Holy Trinity, what's going on?
What the heck? No way, bro. Holy shit. It's nice seeing you.
Nice to see you too, dude. Matte black Carrera GT. That is stunning. Let's take a closer look at this P1. Wow. Beautiful Senna. Love the stripes on it. And then another freaking F40. Oh my gosh. Wow. Check out the Razor. This thing is wild.
Sounds pretty crazy when it's driving around with all the...
There's actually a rear seat in there. How wild is that? Beautiful M4 GTS. Check out this gorgeous Jag. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. Check out the spec on this 600 LT, guys. It's got pretty much every single option, and then the carbon fiber is actually tinted with this red color to it. Look at that. A red carbon roof scoop. Beautiful Ford GT too. Oh my god. Literally endless amount of cool cars at Sunset GT today. Look at this, vlogs on vlogs right now. We got Miles vlogging, we got Dylan vlogging.
What's going on?
Oh man. Your POV driving mount. All you had to do was break your back just to get this awesome perk.
Worth it?
You tell me.
Hey, you know what? I get to park in handicap spots.
That's a positive way of thinking about it. Check out this insane multicolored Sabre. That is absolutely wild. And then we've got a really special McLaren Speedtail right here. So the first test mule ever back in 1992 for the McLaren F1 was dubbed Albert. So they've recreated, this is Albert as well, a Speedtail with a paint scheme that took 12 weeks to paint. Let's check this out. I actually really like this. Faded color from gray to silver with these awesome flowing lines. That is really cool. All right, check this out, guys. The interior, if you can hear me over that loud muscle car, of the Rimac Nevera. I've never seen the inside of one of these. Pretty cool layout. Love all the carbon fiber. Look at those dials. Look at that, we got Y-Test in the Agera RS1. Look at the crowd this thing draws. Absolutely insane.
Pull him right here in the nose.
Check this thing out.
Right here, guys.
Wow. Look at how many people are surrounding the Koenigsegg. Oh my god. And they keep rolling in. Look at this beautiful Bugatti Veyron. I love the spec too. Black with a tan interior. That is gorgeous. Ooh, I like the carbon fiber with the black. Wow, the wheels on this Bentley are sick. I guess it's SUV time. Got this beautiful Cullinan Urus, another Cullinan, another Urus. Damn. How ridiculous is this, guys? This is the overflow lot of cars that couldn't make it into the show. We got Aventador SVs, we got Pistas everywhere. That is ridiculous. Look at this squad of all yellow cars. Beautiful Superleggera. Got some GTRs for the GTR fans out there. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna happen. Oh my god. Check out what's under the front hood of the STO. No longer a trunk. We got brake cooling vents. Closer look at the RS1. Look at that interior. Ooh, here we go. Pagani Huayra leaving. That is gorgeous.
Oh, hey, Parker.
What's going on? Beautiful SLR. That's a fat rear tire. Watch the crowd as these two cars pull out. We got a Chiron and an Elva rolling up. Parting the seas.
Bill.
That is spectacular.
My lord.
Adopt me. McLaren Sabre rolling out. Check this out, guys. This is the speed tail. Check it out, guys. Albert pulling out. Wow.
Hold on, guys. That's one.
And we got the Elva coming in after it. Look at that. Absolutely wild. And then here comes the Koenigsegg. Woo. Wow. That sounds absolutely insane. Look at that.
Hey, excuse me, man. I love your car. What do you do for a living? Tired. Tired? What did you do before? No comment. Okay.
Hey, Cam, what do you do for a living? Oh, I've got a Snapchat show and make TikToks. Oh, cool, man. That's awesome. Love your car. Excuse me, what do you guys do for a living? Well, guys, what an awesome event. Check it out. We got the two 620Rs next to each other. At some point, I do want to do a full video comparing the differences between the two cars and highlighting those for you guys. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. Look forward to seeing you next video.